Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is doing great today, guys. Friday and Easter Friday, actually, for some religions. So here at MarketMindsMastery, we would like to wish Happy Easter for those they celebrate today. And we are ready to start with our market analysis. Let's start with the Australian dollar and the US dollar. Yesterday, let's bring the drawing tool as well. Well, yesterday, guys, we explained that this 4-hour bullish engulfing order block can help price to find support, and we said that on the lower time frames, perhaps on the 15-minute or maybe on the hourly chart, if you could find a bullish reversal price action, why not to take the trade? For me, I didn't see anything that it was very obvious to initiate any trade, neither on the hourly, neither on the 15-minute chart. So I didn't enter into any trade, but the market was very clear at this point, created this bearish engulfing order block on the 15-minute chart. It went all the way down. It made this non-failure swing, it changed direction, trend reversal, the break of this high here. But I was looking to enter at this point if the market correct somewhere here, but it didn't do. It went all the way to grab the liquidity from these highs here above this bearish engulfing order block, and then it declined and moved lower. So price is still hovering around this area. Now it came above this support. For a higher time frame on the daily chart, this is what we see. It fights around its support. Now if it's going to break it today, I don't know, but as per the 4-hour time frame, the market, if it was about to move higher, it shouldn't stay for a long time below this bearish engulfing order block here. Okay, so after the buyers they stepped in, it should have pushed higher. So this is a bit of a messy market to trade. A clear one was yesterday on the euro US dollar. Excuse me. What happened actually after we finish our webinar? The price closed on the 4-hour here, and then it rejected all the way down there. Now it left behind this 4-hour bearish engulfing order block on the 15-minute time frame. It looked like this, so it moved upwards and filled up all these gaps here. It left behind this rejection, and that was the first area that we could have looked for short positions. What happened after this occurred? The price dipped down, retest, equal top, and then decline. Okay, take profit somewhere there. Up. Any questions, guys, so far? Please let me know if you want to ask anything. Put it on the chat below. So today the price is sitting around this yesterday's low. The expectancy is, of course, to see the price move lower. If we go back on the 4-hour time frame, the next low is down here. So let's see if the market will create some kind of activity that will allow us to participate. So bearish on this one overall, but Remember, the market needs to maintain the bearish structure, yeah, lower highs and lower lows. Great British Pound and the US dollar daily chart. The price retested the lows yesterday, but it didn't actually create any order block to that we potentially could have taken advantage of that. So I'm not trading this one. It's a bit messy. I like to see clear moves like this one here, like this one there, and anticipate the move. So the clearest was this one for this week, bearish engulfing, pushed all the way here, but we could have taken that on the lower time frames. So at this point, of course, we have to check the calendar. Nope. So today, Friday, Good Friday, most of the major banks they are closed. Only in Tokyo, the market was open earlier, and Tokyo Consumer Price Index previously was 2.5% for the year. That's including the energy sector and everything else, and it increased to 2.6%. And oppositely excluded food and energy, the CPI, from 3.1% to 2.9%. That's year by year. Okay, guys. So that's from the calendar so far, the events. Nothing later on. The markets, they gonna most likely just move based on the traders' speculation, because the big firms, the big banks, they are not in business today. Next one, USDJPY. This is messy. The order block here haven't been retested yet. Anyway, the market is sideways at this point, and again, depends on your trading style. If the market is sideways, and if you have a way to trade, and if you are trading this, then maybe that's appropriate market conditions. But the way we trade here at MarketMindsMastery, we want to see moves like this, we want to see moves like that, clear price, create direction, okay, before we take any trades. For now, it's very messy. I'm not interested in doing anything with that one, unless you have the belief that at this point here, up there, these order blocks, they can be, sorry, this order block here on the 15-minute chart can be the area to look for short positions. Okay, any question, guys? Crude oil, US oil, the price is moving upwards with higher highs and higher lows on the daily chart. It's about to retest the previous month and previous month resistance around 83, 84, let's say, if we round it up a little bit. On the 4-hour time frame, now we have clarity and we can say that we are back in business. So the market double bottom here, or equal bottom, and it broke above this one. So minimum expectation for the price to move is the distance from this point A to this point B. Let's measure it and focus on that one. So from here, from the broker point, we are about 2%. So easily the market can surpass and go up to 84.30. Okay, so that will be the target, the 84.30, and we can mark it on the chart. And you can add a text if you want. Minimum target, it's up here. Okay, so that's the plan for this one. Again, we're going to be very cautious around this resistance because we don't know what's going to happen. Maybe the price will decline and then it's going to move upward again. Okay, don't expect that because we set up a minimum target, the market is going to shoot straight and it's going to take the target. Okay, next one, gold. Yesterday we forecasted on this ascending triangle on the 4-hour chart. The price broke to the upside and it gave the target here at 2222. We said that it will have been our target, this one. Okay, because it's a previous high, an all-time high. Now the market is creating new highs, all-time high, which it's great. Why not? Gold, it's one of those unique and precious metals that it's worth getting some more value in price. Next one, S&P 500. Finally, the price reached the all-time high for again. So it looks like that it's going to be the only week, pretty much, that the last month or something that the market didn't create a new all-time high, unless we consider we can consider this high point here. Nevertheless, if the price will stay as a bearish engulfing and also rejecting the top, it means it activate all these stop losses they were hitting right here from the traders, so it can be a strong directional move to the downside. There is also another area of order block that created yesterday down here, so keep this in mind if you are going short around this area. Ensure that your trade is protected, because that's a room of opportunity. And again, in the market, as I teach you all the time, trade what you see, not what you think, okay, or what you want to experience as an outcome. Only what you see that is happening. Also, guys, the price still has this gap that it's unfilled, and yeah, maybe it's going to come to grab these gaps, to fill up this gap here. Also, there are many stop losses hidden down there, so there is a nice pool of money at this point here. Dollars, euros, Australian, Canadian dollars, however you prefer. So keep that in mind as well. Again, if you are new to trading and you don't understand everything that I explained here, it's that's actually the way we trade here at MarketMindsMastery, and we offer. I believe soon we're gonna be done with our course, so you can take the course and learn everything from A to Z. Also, we have private coaching that it's very affordable for everyone. We don't try to it's extremely affordable. That's the best way to say it, because if you are a new trader or experienced trader and you struggle a little bit, you can definitely visit our website here at marketmindsmastery.com, and you can find all the information. You can book a free 15-minute introductory session with myself, and then we take it from there. Also, the prices, it's down here. We have clarity, and it's not something that maybe people they think, or you may be thinking that we're gonna go on a free session and then he's gonna try to sell us and something. No, guys, everything is here. You can do either one session for the price, or you can do 6 or 10 sessions. You can do split payments, and that's exactly what it is. Okay, and if you come to the if you book any free 15-minute introductory session, and at the end you don't want to continue and you don't want to put any sessions with me, absolutely fine, no obligations, nothing. Okay, that's simple as it is. Next one, nasdaq. declines. It didn't create any equal highs, nothing here. So it's a bit messy for our trading style, but we are still in business. We are still waiting for the price to come down here and fill up this area. Okay, and then we're gonna decide if there are tradable opportunities built around this level. We're gonna execute. So I'm still bullish on this one. In technical analysis patterns, we have this as a kind of, let's see if it's a flag. No. Okay, so it's nothing as like a bullish flag or a pennant or something. I don't see anything here because I consider the lowest point the price traded. Okay, not whenever I want to touch the lines just for the sake of the pattern. So still waiting for the price to come down there. Okay, and then we will see what's going to happen. So a question mark here. DAX price didn't retrace yesterday. Let's see today if it's going to print an all-time high or not. Still in a strong uptrend. The capitalize of this one, it's primarily with the use of moving averages to buy the dips. You see the price, it's not even retracing to the previous swing low. It just is above the 50% or the 38.2% Fibonacci levels. Depends on also depends on the time frame you are looking this to take the trades, because if you're looking on the 4-hour to execute trade, it's gonna less likely to happen because the market is it creates shallow retracements that doesn't really give us the areas to create to build up some buying positions. And last one for today, guys, it's going to be the Bitcoin. It's trading, it's trading around the 70,069. Maybe today we're going to see it down to 67. Maybe we're going to see it up 74. Anyhow, it's a bullish sentiment. This market structure started from there. It creates a high that is a high at point A that is higher from the high at point B. And why I consider this is the high, because we have this non-failure swing. Many traders, they will consider this one here because that was the creation of this low here, or this one here, but that's not the case. The market failed to make a new swing low, and this is the key and the secret here. And especially if you're a beginner trader, you need to learn the failure and non-failure swings in the market. That's the key for reversals. Okay, by the way, and for those that are going to watch this later, please let me know if you want to see some educational videos to cover some perhaps some pattern or some ideas that you may struggle. Let me know in the comments below and I will do my best to assist you. So for this one here, definitely we are still bullish because the price makes higher highs and higher lows, and this is the area around R1 resistance. Now it's going to become the S1 support, of course, after the break to the upside. I didn't update the chart. So around this area here at support, we will be looking for some bullish opportunities. All right, guys, that's all from me today. I hope you found this webinar, this live, actually not a webinar, this live valuable. And I would like to wish to everyone to have a happy Easter for those that are celebrating the Easter now. Take some rest away from the charts. Here at MarketMindsMastery, we're going to be back on Monday. We're going to be here doing market analysis as usual. So if you want, you feel free, of course, to join us. And happy trading for the rest of the day. And I will see you all on Monday again at the same time. Thank you. What the fuck? Huh? Oh. 1 2 1 2